Biden. Long COVID could be covered by federal disability law. Some of those who recovered from COVID-19 suffer post-infection symptoms. These are collectively known as long COVID, where patients continue to experience health issues. They can be experienced by anyone, including those who had mild symptoms, and may last from weeks to months. Unfortunately, long COVID can be complex and specialists may be needed to improve patients' quality of life. But how can you pay for these specialists if you already lost your job due to long COVID? There may be some hope if US President Joe Biden's plan pushes through. On Monday, President Biden announced that serious long-term COVID-19 cases could qualify as a disability. This could allow long COVID patients to gain access to federal protection and other resources. We're bringing agencies together to make sure Americans with long COVID who have a disability have access to the rights and resources that are due under the disability law, said Biden. According to NBC News, the newly released guidelines for those experiencing long COVID symptoms may get the benefits, but not automatically. This is because the guidance says that an individualized assessment is necessary to determine whether a person's long COVID condition or any of its symptoms substantially limits a major life activity. If a patient is clinically found with long COVID, they could qualify for reasonable modifications applicable for work or school settings. Plus, they could get community-based resources that are helpful for housing issues and medical care. Though if asked, long COVID is not always considered as a disability by the guidance. For sufferers, they must consult with their doctors and relevant agencies to know what to do. While the CDC and health experts are working to better understand long COVID, most sufferers don't have the luxury to wait for results. They still need to pay bills, deal with expenses and others, all of which are quite difficult to handle if you can't function normally because of long COVID. Symptoms of long COVID vary from person to person, but most patients reported difficulty breathing, fatigue, brain fog, chest pain, and joint pain. Just one of these can significantly hamper someone's life. Despite the known clinical signs, treatment for long COVID is limited. Thus, access to federal benefits and resources is a boon to those with long COVID.